everybody, Thelindabradley from Princess House. I have an easy recipe for you tonight that you're just gonna love. It's Friday night, you just got home from work, everybody's hungry, you don't feel like cooking. How about easy peasy chicken quesadillas? And look what I'm cooking them on. This is our brand new double electric griddle. It's incredible, I'm so excited. The coolest part about it is it runs on a plug. It is the same size as a regular double griddle, but what you do is plug it in. You'll notice I'm not in my kitchen, so it can be used anywhere that you have a plug. I think that it's gonna come in so handy around the holidays because what's really nice about it is you'll be able to use it on your buffet table and it'll keep all of your foods warm. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing today. I started a little bit earlier. And I'm going to tell you how I do my recipe. So with the chicken, what you want to do is go ahead and cut it up in bite-sized pieces and then just season it with some taco seasoning. It all cooks in one pan, so that's the other thing that's nice. You're not making a lot of mess. So go ahead and do that, cook it up for maybe 4 or 5 minutes, and then add in diced onions, red peppers, and then a little bit of garlic. So it's also a good way to get your kids to eat their vegetables. And then what you're going to do is just cook it up, maybe 5-6 minutes until it is all cooked through. Then what you want to do is go ahead. Now I make my quesadillas maybe a little bit different. You're going to take your cheese. I already messed up, didn't put my cheese down first. You're going to take your cheese and you want to try to get it all the way to the edges. I hope you can see this okay. And then you're going to put your chicken on top, then a little bit more cheese. I'm going to try to get it all the way to the edges, and then another quesadilla, or another tortilla shell, I should say. So I'm going to start this one over, because I want to put the cheese down first. I'm telling you, this is such an easy recipe, and your kids will like it, and it'll get them to eat vegetables without even knowing it. You know, they charge like $12 or $15 to get this as an appetizer in Applebee's and other different places like that. You can easily make it yourself. And look, it's all on one pan. So you're gonna let them cook for a little bit and then you'll flip them over and then you can cut them in whatever size you want, all right? So I'm just gonna move all this over so I have plenty of room. You can also actually take it out of the pan. That's why I have another one over here for you. But have you ever made chicken quesadillas for your family? Because it's incredible. And you can add so many different things, whatever you like sauce-wise. I made a spicy mayonnaise that you can then dip them in. And the spicy mayonnaise is 1 cup of mayonnaise. And then it is 1 tablespoon of Frank's hot, or any hot sauce that you have. And then it is 1 teaspoon of lime juice and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And then you just mix it all up and it's a little bit of a spicy mayonnaise. And this is how easy it is. I think the first ones are almost ready to flip. Let's see. I'm going to move the rest of them off because I want to be able to have more room to put them all. But look how awesome this double griddle is, how big it is, and the different things you're going to be able to cook. I love the fact that you're going to be able to serve, like when you have your holidays, you'll be able to serve and all of your foods will stay warm. Let's see if these first ones are ready. I'm really excited about even Thanksgiving because, you know, a lot of times you go to do Thanksgiving and what ends up happening is people want to go back for seconds for the turkey and it's cold. So you can slice up your turkey and put it on this electric griddle and then you're not going to have to worry about that. It's going to stay nice and hot. So do you love it? I have 2 different ways for you to get it, okay? It is not in the catalog just yet. I think that it's planning on coming in next year, but it's going to be a pricey item. All right, so here's the deal. Let's see what we got going on here. I'm so excited because I'm hungry. I want to eat this. Oh, they're ready down there. Okay, hang on. Chill out a little bit over here. So this is currently a hostess special that when you have 8 or 10 friends, go ahead and place orders with you. You're going to be able, what's up with the broken tortilla shells? You're gonna be able to get this for just $99.95, which is crazy. You'll never ever see it that price again, all right? But if you don't wanna do it that way, and you're like, Lynn, I don't wanna wait. All right, hold on, let me see if I can flip this. Boom. I might have dropped a little piece. If you're like, I don't want to wait for it, I want to get it right away. So I have a little layaway offer for you, all right, if you don't want to do it as a host. I'm going to let that one cook a little bit more. I'm going to actually turn it up a little bit. So as a host, I'm sorry, my mind is going 16 different places. You can purchase this as a customer. It's going to be a Thelindabradley customer special, and you can only get it through me. This is not a company special. And you can get it for just $70 down, and then make 10 weekly payments of $20.79, and it's yours. And then, of course, tax and shipping is separate. The coolest thing about it is, if you can see it, it's the exact same size as a regular double griddle, but it has a very small footprint. The only thing extra is this electric probe. Here's the coolest part. You can pull out the electric probe. Now, just to let you know, the probe goes from warm to 425 degrees. So you can literally cook on here or keep things warm or whatever you want to do. I'm very upset that my tortilla shells are cracked. That is not good. There you go. When you go to wash it, this is what I'm excited about. It's dishwasher safe. You can immerse it in water, not the electric probe, but pull that out, and the rest of the pan can go fully in your sink or fully in your dishwasher, which that's really cool. So, and it does come with your lid, and I just think you're gonna love this piece. So reach out to me, Thelindabradley at the Princess House. Nope, Thelindabradley at the Gmail. Oh my gosh, the Thelindabradley at gmail.com. Can you tell I'm rushing? I'm rushing. Things don't work well when you rush. All right, let me calm down a little bit. I got off to a late start today, and I was trying so hard to get this video in time for you guys to make dinner, and I just made it a little bit late. So there's my chicken fajita recipe. Super easy. Like I said, I think that your kids will like it. It's a great recipe. What I do is that once they're done, is I'll take them and I'll cut them like they do at the restaurant, and then I'll serve them with the spicy mayo. You can also make like a chipotle sauce or a lime sauce. There you go. All right, so you can see that they're getting done, right? Can you see them? They're getting done, and then like I said, I'll bring them off here, and then I'll cut them and then serve them. They're super delicious. Dare I say healthy? I mean, what's not healthy in there? Cheese is the only thing that's not terribly healthy, but other than that, you got your onions, you got peppers, you got chicken. It's a great, quick meal. And if you want it as an appetizer, you can do that too. If everybody's like watching the game on the weekends, it's a really fun appetizer too. I wanted to show you how I cut them, but they're not quite done yet. Yeah, they're not quite done. What I'll do is I'll cut them in like they do at the stores, like a pie, a pizza pie, and then you have like the triangles, and then you can just dip them in the sauce. So I hope you liked my recipe, and I hope you try it out. I try all of my recipes ahead of time because I only want the best for you. I try to do recipes that are quick and easy, under 30 minutes, with normal foods that you would have at home that your kids will eat. That's always the biggest one. We want our kids eating. So reach out to me. I told you my email address wrong, so it's thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will hook you up. So you can either get it for $99.95 or take it with the layaway offer, $70 down, $20.73 times 10 payments plus shipping and tax. You're gonna love this piece. Can you imagine using it over the holidays? Even just for appetizers, they never stay warm. So you can use it for appetizers, and then you can cook them right on here and then just turn it down to warm and let them stay warm. You can use it, as I said, for turkey, for Thanksgiving, really almost anything. Even if you're having a big Sunday breakfast with a bunch of people over, you can see how nice and big it is, and you can use it for your full Sunday breakfast. Oh, here you go. I'm going to take this one. All right. So they're all melded together because the cheese got it going on. It's going to be hot, so I can't eat it right away. But I will cut it like I said, like a pizza pie. You cut it like that, and then you can cut it in threes. Each one of these in threes. Whoops, sorry. Who am I saying sorry to? Ah, hot. I should have had a fork up here to help me. All right, I don't have a fork. And then, and then you can dip it in the sauce. All right, lesson number 1, don't rush. When you rush, things don't come out the way you expect them to. All right? Get all your things together ahead of time so that you can make a nice, healthy dinner for your family. Check it out, Double Electric Griddle, Thelindabradley@gmail.com. See you next time.